How to measure for timber flooring. Step 1. Grab your tools. You will need a notepad, tape measure, a pen, ruler, and calculator. Step 2. Map out your space. Grab your pen and paper and roughly sketch the shape of the room. Be sure to note down any doorways or intruding walls and surfaces, such as a kitchen island. Step 3. Measure your space. Start by measuring the longest side of the room. Note this down and repeat for the width. Also measure the sections that will not require flooring. Step 4. Calculate your square meterage. Once you've double-checked all your measurements are correct, it's time to work out the square meterage of your space. Calculate the total area of the whole room and deduct the areas that don't need flooring. For example, your kitchen island. Now add a 10% wastage allowance to your final measurement. This will account for any potential wrong cuts or miscalculations. Step 5. Evaluate flooring boxes. Select the flooring you would like to proceed with. Each flooring product will specify how many square meters it can cover in one box. Simply divide your total square meters by the pack size of your chosen flooring. This will then determine how many boxes you will need. Hot tip: if you're left with an uneven number, always round up to the next box. Step 6. Place your order. Don't forget to add your underlay, scotia, or finishing strips before placing your order. Then, it's time to leave the heavy lifting to us and wait for your order to be delivered straight to your door.